DarkWatcher. Oh my god, what is a DarkBone? What the hell do you want this time? Oh yeah, I almost forgot to mention the fire crystal kinda actually does make will make your nest all fiery and elemental. Yeah, I figured. Ugh, now it just looks like I don't know. Like it literally looks like someone just died on my nest. Well, too good for you. What the hell do you want this time? I just want to let you know. Well, some of your extinct birds have offsprings now, and they're kind of strange, to be honest. Oh, just leave me alone, you stupid skeleton. Ugh. Alright. Don't say I didn't exactly tell you. Whatever. And wait, where the hell is Sunshine? Well, I put her in prison since you get annoyed of her. I can hear you! Yeah, shut up, you stupid eagle! Ugh. Go. I'm not even going back to that crap anymore. Birds. Alright, well, good luck. Good night. Shut up. Oh, where am I this time? When did I teleport in the... Wait a minute. When is the desert even close to the... Am I in heaven? I'm not even dead. Ugh, gross. Whatever this place is. Well, whoever the hell brought me here, you better show your damn self. Ugh. Looks like I'm going through a stupid desert. Ugh, whatever this place is. It's even cold here. Shut up, you freaking snake. Ugh. Looks like there's dead snakes in heaven. So you're here. I guess I knew it would work. Who said that? Does you remember me, DarkWatcher? It's your old friend, ShadowTalon. What the f- ShadowTalon? What the hell are you doing here? Well, dude, you know, just here to tell you something that's kind of wrong. Oh, really? Then what's wrong? Well, I'm glad you asked, because what you're doing is wrong. DarkBone is using you to, like, I don't know, like, get those elemental crystals. How do you know? And how are you even in heaven? Don't you have Shadow in your name? That doesn't mean I shouldn't. That doesn't mean I should be in hell or something. Listen, you're doing this. He's offering you a terrible power that you could imagine. And something that is not actually good. And how's that gonna happen? I don't think you want to find out, huh? No. DarkWatcher, you're doing this for him. He is trying to use you. Oh, please. Why would he use me? He's the only Harpicornis I was trying to bring back to life for many years, and you were just trying to stop me, aren't you? That's not what I'm trying to do. I'm telling you it's wrong. What you're doing is wrong. How come you don't see that? Really? Trusting a bird I've been trying to bring back before Neon Gust. That's just... How is that wrong? He's using you. I know it. Say what you want. I don't even... At first, like... I thought you changed. But turns out you haven't. Oh, really? Change to what? For not being an absolute psycho. Oh, really? Yeah. That's what I thought. You really expect me to believe that crap? Really? And what do you think I'll be like? DarkWatcher, don't you dare even think about it. Think about why pushing you down the hill. You're already dead, isn't that right? How come you don't remember the times we were kids, even though you weren't really a Microraptor, but... Oh, shush. Those days were just pathetic. They weren't. It was pretty much like friendship. Friendship. Yeah, that was like crap. I'm not even lying. Now, I want you to bring me back to the real world, you goddamn sparrow that died from the assistant. Your assassin, you mean? Yeah, and that she's already dead. Although she kind of changed, kind of early, but... and then died. I know that. I'm not dumb. I thought I could help you. I don't need help. I can do whatever I want, and I like it. You still can change. There's still a chance. Instead, give me stupid hope. Just pathetic as you are. If you do change, then you're going to be the most evilest Microraptor out there. Pathetic. I'll bring you down. For now. Ugh. What the fudge was that? Let me go, you freaking skeleton! What the hell is happening over there? Oh, no. This is not exactly gonna hurt, you know. DarkBone, what? Explain what the hell is going on. You know, just this fire Deinonychus won't stop fighting me. It's trying to burn my bones. I thought bones weren't burnable. Guess they are. Let me go, you freaking skeleton. Nah, you just stay in there. You think this is the first time I've been trapped in here? I can smell this pus. Really? And what do you think about that? I'll definitely fight you. To get out of this cage. Very funny. Not. Do you think this is the first time you've been thrown in prison? Yeah, keep talking. I will kill you. Nah, I ain't gonna let you out. Besides, why would I let you out? You're just the element I need. For what? Exactly. That's none of your concern. One of the other elements will defeat you. Yeah, right. Keep talking like that. DarkBone, what the hell is going on? None of your business, DarkWatcher. Now, I just need some time to show it. Well, we got only 5 more elements to go. No one will be so lucky.